Hi, my name's Isabelle. I study T-level health with a specialism of midwifery at Oldham College. I've always wanted to do health and midwifery since I was young. I'm a very caring person, so the thought of being able to give that care to someone else who's more in need than I am is what I want to do in life. A T-level is a breakdown of health and science, and you have 350 hours of placement on the second year and 40 hours of placement on the first year. It kind of gets us out of the classroom while also learning about different places where you want to work and different wards that you want to work on. Before you say go to uni or think about going into a career in health, it gives you the opportunity to experience what health is while being in college. The facilities are great. Having this sim suite here is so much easier for us to kind of get into the role play of being a healthcare assistant. Everyone in the course is lovely, and the tutors are probably the best ones out there. They've had their own experience in the health environment, so you're able to talk about whatever, any questions you have. You can speak to your teachers or support staff or anyone like that. We went on a trip to Salford Uni, and that really helped us in seeing the different wards and having a breakdown of like what there is to come for us. It's made me realise that this is definitely something that I want to go into. Next year I've got a placement at Oldham Hospital. I'll be doing 4 days there and then 1 day in college. And I'm excited to experience different women's trauma through birth and guide them with being able to care for that baby as best that they can while they're in hospital. For me, this is a great stepping stone into what I want to do in the future and how I want to do it and where I want to go with it.